Greetings and felicitations all. Before we start, I just want to say I really enjoy taking our favorite foods, comfort foods, dessert snacks, and making them healthier, lower calorie, and always lower carb. As a recovering type 2 diabetic, I really have to avoid sugar, but every now and then, my sweet teeth, I guess I have sweet teeth, start to really talk. And they say, sugar. I just crave sugar sometimes. It's not very often, but I do. And when I do, I could eat sugar, but that's not good. So I make something that's very sweet and also doesn't spike my blood sugar. And that's what we're going to do today. But first, I want to address an email I got from one of you. Dear Craig, that's me. I noticed that you have 55 episodes of Off the Cuff. I do. That's a lot. I also noticed that you've directed every one of them. Yeah, well. I was curious, do you think you could ever get a big Hollywood director to direct one of your shows? Signed, Made Up Email. Thanks, Made Up. A real big Hollywood director doing this show? Huh. I wonder how that would be. These are not the air fryers we're looking for.
These aren't the air fryers we're looking for.
Move along.
Move along. Move along.
See? I told you, R2. Hi, everybody, and welcome to Off the Cuff, Healthy Cooking with... Today we have a great... God... Can we calm down on the lens flares, please? Open the air fryer drawer, Hal. I can't do that, Craig. Hal. Open the air fryer drawer. I'm sorry, Craig. I cannot do that. All right. Great. Now he's drunk. Merry Christmas, savings and loan! Merry Christmas, Bedford Balls! Clarence! Clarence, did you hear? Every time an air fryer rings, an angel gets his wings! Hot wings! Merry Christmas, everybody! Maybe it's better if, for the time being, I direct the shows. I'm just thinking. Anyway, as I promised, a sweet treat today. I'm showing you a sweet, sugar-free, low-carb chocolate chip cookie. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love cookies?
Cookies!
Well, we know he does. This is going to satisfy your palate for something sweet, and it's really easy to make. And now, even though they can't do it, they won't do it, and I couldn't afford it if they wanted to, here are the ingredients, like George Lucas would probably enjoy it. Okay, now there's very little prep to this. It's basically just mixing and baking. One thing we have to do is we have to melt the butter. This is a half cup of butter, or you know better as a quarter stick. That's easy to remember. Just gotta throw it in the microwave. This will take probably about a minute. Okay, let us begin. First, we're going to put in, not the butter, the erythritol. And then we're going to be putting in the butter. And we're going to mix. You can use a automatic mixer if you want. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. Plus, they're really loud and it's tough for me to talk while I'm doing it, so goodness. Okay, this is well mixed. Now we're going to add the egg and the vanilla. There goes the egg. And here comes the vanilla. And we mix this thoroughly. Told you, there's not really a lot to this. It's basically just mixing and baking. Now we put in everything else. The almond flour, the xanthan gum, the baking powder, and the salt. The chips are the only thing left, and we don't do that quite yet. And now we continue to make this into a cookie batter. Oh, this looks really good. I should have... Anybody for a cookie batter cone? I should have sprayed this, I guess. I don't know. That's all right. It comes out pretty easy. And this is just about done. When this is all mixed, we add in the chocolate chips. Now we're going to fold in the sugar-free chocolate chips. And by fold, we're just going to manipulate the batter so they get all mixed in throughout. Okay, our chips are incorporated. Believe it or not, now it's time to dole them out and air fry them. First, we're going to spray with non-stick cooking spray. Okay, through the magic of video, here are my 12 cookies all ready for the air fryer. Time to fire these bad boys up. Okay, the recipe says 10 minutes at 360. That's what I'm going to do. Put them in here. 10 minutes at 360. Okay, both air fryers are stopped. Oh, we have cookies. Guilt-free, low-carb chocolate chip cookies. Steven Spielberg himself could have directed this episode, and these couldn't have come out more magical. I have to say, I said it when I was making them, these are really super easy to make. And that batch makes 12 nice-sized cookies, as you can see, and they're sugar-free, which to me is guilt-free. I mean, there's calories, so you don't want to eat too many, but if you have 2 or 3 with a glass of almond milk or skim milk or coffee, num-nums. These will be a great treat any time of year. Now, I'm taping this a couple of weeks before Christmas. Man, my mother always made chocolate chip cookies. She would love these. This is great for you, for your kids, for your guests. Santa would appreciate the lower carbs too. Here we go. Oh, this looks so good. I mean, I can't tell the difference, but we'll see what happens with the taste. It crunches, it's chewy, it's sweet. Oh, the chocolate chips are melty. I'm actually wondering if I made a mistake. These are wonderful. I honestly could not tell that these are sugar-free. Oh man, it's going to be a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful Easter and a wonderful 4th of July with these. Oh my. Well, that's it for this time around. I'm here in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another recipe. Be well, eat good.